Good evening. I am Jay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to discuss on the topic customer value. Customer value refers to the benefit a customer perceives from a product or service compared to the cost incurred to obtain it. It highlights how well a company meets or exceeds customers' expectations. High customer value is created when benefits outweigh price, effort, and the risk. It is a key driver of satisfaction, loyalty, and long term relationships. Businesses that consistently deliver superior value gain competitive advantage. And the customer understanding the customer value involves recognizing what customers truly want and what they are willing to pay for it. It requires analyzing the balance between perceived benefits and the total cost of acquisition and the use. Companies must identify functional, emotional, and social values that influence customers' choices. It also includes studying how expectations shape satisfaction level. By understanding the customer value drivers, firms can tailor offerings to match customer priorities. This understanding ultimately helps build loyalty and the long-term profitability. So the value equation expresses how customers compare the benefits they receive to the cost they incur. It is commonly framed as customer value is equal to perceived benefits plus total cost. The benefits include quality, performance, convenience, and emotional satisfaction. Total cost covers price, time, effort, and the risk involved in the purchase. Higher ratio indicates greater value from the customer's perspective. Businesses aim to maximize the benefits while minimizing the cost to enhance the customer value. The total cost, consumer cost refers to everything a consumer or customer sacrifices to acquire and use a product. It includes the monetary cost such as the actual price paid. It also involves time costs like the time spent for searching or waiting. The effort and the energy costs arise from comparing options or learning to use the product. Finally, psychological costs such as stress or uncertainty also shape total consumer cost. And I have given an outline of some real-time case studies such as Dell's value commitment case study as well as the Caterpillar's excellence real life case study to have a better understanding of your customer value. And now we shall see about your customer value analysis, the five-step framework for your customer value analysis. Identifying the customer value elements is said to be the, or identifying the attributes is said to be the first step in the framework of your customer value analysis. It involves determining what benefits, that is the functional, emotional, or social benefits, and the cost matter most to customers. And the second step is to assess the importance, assess the customer's perception. Gather data on it involves gathering data on how customers rate your product's value compared to competitors. And the third step is to evaluate the competitors' offering. That is analyzing the competitors' strength and weakness in delivering the value. And next step is to determine the value gaps. That is, it involves identifying where your firm underperforms or overperforms relative to customers' expectations. And the next step is to develop the value enhancing strategies. That is, it involves improving the benefits, reducing the cost, and realign offerings to deliver the superior customer value. Now we shall see about the design thinking connection with that of your customer value analysis. Design thinking enhance customer value by deeply understanding the customer needs through empathy. It focuses on solving real-time problems rather than assuming what customers want. Through iterative prototyping and testing, it ensures solutions create meaningful benefits. The process reduces the customer's effects and eliminates the pain points, increasing the perceived value. Ultimately, design thinking aligns products and services with what customers truly value. Now we shall see about the maximizing the customer lifetime value, which involves increasing the total revenue a company earns from a customer over the entire relationship. It begins with attracting the right customers who are likely to stay longer and engage more. Providing exceptional customer experiences, personalization, and consistent service quality boosts retention. The cross-selling, upselling, and the loyalty programs helps increase customer spending over time. By reducing churn and strengthening long-term relationship, businesses significantly improve overall profitability through higher customer lifetime value. Uh, this is the mind map of your customer value. Here, the perceived benefits represents the quality, performance, convenience, and emotional value, brand value, etc. Whereas the total cost represents the price, time, effort, psychological cost. Whereas the drivers represents the expectations, experience, service quality, and the relationship. Outcomes represents the satisfaction, loyalty, repeat purchase, and a higher customer lifetime value. Whereas now we shall have a short summary on your customer value. Customer value reflects the balance between the benefits customers perceive or receive and the cost they incur. Higher value leads to increased satisfaction, loyalty, and long-term profitability, while the businesses enhance value by improving benefits and reducing the customer effect or cost. Understanding customers' expectations help companies deliver superior value consistently. And finally, I'd like to thank you for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you.